Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the turbo mode on Thermomix TM6. The turbo mode is great for cutting some things into larger pieces. Medium pieces. Some hard things like chocolate or nuts or herbs or something else. Yeah, that is an option. And what it does is it runs at a higher speed than the 10 rotations, the 10th speed here, so it runs even higher, but for a short period of time, so it can cut hard ingredients into pieces quickly, and those will be medium-sized pieces. It won't be powder. Now you'll need to go to the modes screen, select turbo, then it'll lock the cap immediately. Then you can select the time, 0.5 seconds, 1 second, or 2 seconds. Of course, you can perform it like 2 or 3 times if you need to. I'll set it to 1 second, then I'll rotate the dial. And this is how it works. It chopped. Then if I set it here, it will also, it just does it for that selected amount of time. And you can repeat it multiple times if you need, but if you don't, then you should just do it once. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.